Section 1. Forward twerk, right, left. Right forward, hip bump, hip bump. Left half turn, forward, hip bump, hip bump. Forward twerk, right, left. Facing 6 o'clock. Section on count. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Section 2. 2 V step. Right foot out, left foot out, in, out, out, in, facing 6 o'clock. Section 2 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3. Right side, hip bump, hip bump. Left side, hip bump, hip bump. Right, left, right, left. Facing 6 o'clock. Section 3 count. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4 jazz box. Right foot cross, back, side, forward. Jazz box quarter turn. Right foot cross, right quarter turn, left foot back, side, forward. Facing 9 o'clock. Section 4 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Full count. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.